Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add graphs in videos here in Capcut. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Capcut, you might want to click on the sign up for free button. And once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on the option to continue with Google. You can continue with your TikTok account, your Facebook, or you can continue with your Capcut mobile. Just log into your mobile device and you are all set. Now, once you are here, adding graphs directly within the Capcut PC isn't a built-in feature right now, but you can do it in a very easy process. Now, from here, all you're gonna do is click on the new video option, because you will be directed to the Capcut editor. And as you can see, you have the option on the media. You can click on upload, or you can simply drag and drop the file to your main editor. And from here, click on the how to add graphs in video, and we're gonna explore multiple ways on for us to do the adding graphs here. Now, the first thing we need to do, now for us to be able to add a keyframe, all we're gonna do is hit on Control plus. So you can drag the video right here as long as you wanted. Control the speed, right? Just select the basic. Right, so you have the option here to add a keyframe, and you can drag this one to here. Now the second one is going to be like depends, right? And then the other one's going to be like so. There's a lot that you can do. Just follow along with me. We can cut it again, split it again. Let's get it back to its original form. And once you're satisfied, right here, just hit on the play button. What will happen is that's how you add a graph on your video here in Capcut. It's a very straightforward process because I'm using a image, but if you are using a video, you would be able to see the zoom in and zoom in out effect here in Capcut for your video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.